The Visual Effects Postgrad Program at George Brown College is a comprehensive one-year graduate certificate designed to enhance students' expertise in 3D animation, motion graphics, and audio-video editing for film and television. This three-semester program equips students with the technical proficiency and creative skills necessary to thrive as visual effects artists across various platforms. Throughout the program, students delve into advanced concepts such as 3D procedural animation, compositing, and virtual production workflows. A notable feature of the program is its recognition as a Houdini certified school as well as an Unreal Engine partner institution, reflecting its commitment to industry standard training. Situated in Toronto, a vibrant media hub, George Brown College offers students access to industry standard facilities and a dynamic creative community, enhancing their educational experience and professional network.